students, and Yana here today. I'm going to teach you chapter number 3 of physical education. Today, chapter number 3, physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. Today, my topic is here meaning of physical here fitness, wellness and importance of physical fitness and wellness. So let's start. As you know, here in the modern age, a lot of stress it is usually laid upon the games and sports in comparison to yesteryears. Nowadays, every nation wants to enhance its image and reputation for the fulfillment of this objective. Every nation sends best players for international level competitions. So every nation is striving hard to achieve apex position, top position in the field of sports and games. The question before every nation is how to get maximum medals at international level sports. Owing to this factor, many records are being broken by players or athletes. The standard of sports in every country is showing an increasing trend. But it's shocking matter for all us that in spite of our best endeavors, we are not getting desirable results. Generally, it is concluded after every international level competitions that our team was not having enough potential. Here, even potential for physical fitness to win the match. So, it has become necessary to know about the physical fitness. Along these lines, it is also significant for us to know wellness and lifestyle changes here for leading a healthy life in today's world. So here meaning of wellness. Today you are going to learn meaning and importance of physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. So different people have different points of view regarding physical fitness. For a common person to have a good physique is a symbol of physical fitness. For a doctor, the proper functioning of psychological system in physical fitness. In fact, physical fitness is a simple term with a broad meaning. Physical fitness of a common person means the capacity to do the routine work without any fatigue or exertion, and after doing his or her work, he or she has power to do some more work with quick recovery. Physical fitness is more than the possession of strength and endurance. It means having the best possible health with the capacity to do one's everyday tasks, engage in recreational pursuits, and meet emergencies when they arise. As a matter of fact, physical fitness is possessed by that individual who remains enthusiastic, works cheerfully, and does the emergency and the individual's capability to perform it. In fact, to understand the physical fitness in a better way, it would be more beneficial to go through the here different definitions given by different experts for physical fitness. So according to Webster Encyclopedia, it is the ability of a person to do daily routine work without fatigue or exertion. Moreover, to participate in playful activities and still reserve enough capacity to meet any emergency. This is the meaning given by Webster's Encyclopedia. Then, according to Don Hoskins, the human body's ability to move with the desired speed, balance, agility, and strength gained through proper exercise and nutrition. According to Kroll's, successful adaptations to the stresses of one's lifestyle. Then, according to David R. Lamb, physical fitness is the capacity to meet the present and potential physical challenges of life with success. So meaning of wellness now, there is no universally accepted definition of wellness. The scientific meaning of wellness is the state of being healthy and free of diseases. Wellness means a state of being healthy and free of diseases. This is meaning of wellness. Here many definitions will be helpful for us to understand the meaning of wellness. First is wellness is defined as the optimal functioning of body and adapting to environment that involves the whole person. Wellness is defined as the optimal functioning of body and creative adapting to environment that involves the whole person. The fact or condition of being physically and mentally healthy. This is also meaning of wellness. Then wellness is considered the optimal state of health. Wellness involves a healthy balance of mind, body and spirit, which results in the overall feeling of well-being. So wellness can be defined as the pursuit of a healthy and balanced lifestyle. So in the recent years, the concept of wellness, staying healthy and achieving the highest potential for well-being has become very popular. In India, some corporations have developed wellness programs. These corporations are willing to invest in these these corporations are willing to invest in these programs because they have found that these resulted in increased employee productivity, decreased absenteeism, better employee health and lower insurance costs. Wellness programs stress on proper nutrition, regularity and appropriate physical activity or exercise. Stress management, no to smoking, no to alcohol and drugs and weight control. The physical education programs can make a significant contribution towards wellness in many ways. These programs can provide individuals with the skills and knowledge of exercise properly. These programs can help individuals develop abilities to participate in a variety of sports activities that are meaningful and satisfying. These programs teach individuals a variety of stress management techniques. Most of us as parents in our country want to maintain and improve the health of our children. That's why we take them to the best doctors. But unfortunately, we do little in preventing dangerous diseases that may strike them later in their life. It will not happen. It should not happen like that. So children should be allowed to take part in games and sports and other physical activities so that they may improve and maintain their wellness throughout their life. So importance of physical fitness and wellness. Physical fitness, now we are talking about importance of physical fitness and wellness. And wellness. Physical fitness and wellness are really significant for leading a happy and well-balanced life. These are necessary for reducing the risk of heart and lung diseases. Physically fit individuals tend to have lower resting blood pressure. Everyone wants to maintain one's physical fitness to perform the routine work easily. That's why it is said that physical fitness adds years to one's life. Many people are under the impression that physical fitness is necessary only for sports persons because they participate in many activities of sports and games. They are not aware of the fact that physical fitness and wellness are necessary for a common person also. Although physical fitness varies according to the task to be performed, a certain level of physical fitness is necessary for a common man too. Physical fitness is important for daily activities like walking, running, lifting and carrying weights. Physical fitness also improves hair, posture and appearance. Physical fitness changes our lifestyles or way of life also. If we want to lead a healthy life, it is necessary to be physically fit. Doctors indicate that physical fitness maintains muscular tissues, decreases the risk of injury, and reduces lower back pain. They also assert that muscular problems usually arise due to lack of physical fitness. By being physically fit, we may remain active. Research studies in the field of physical fitness indicate that the children who include physical fitness in early life are likely to remain active in future also. They will be active in future also, in their old age also. Physical fitness and wellness play a key role in improving the mental ability of an individual. These tend to enhance productivity and quality at work. When physical fitness will be there, a person will give his or her best, and that will increase productivity and quality at work. In fact, the complete efficiency level of an individual is enhanced. A physically fit person can manage stress easily, efficiently, and effectively. Because such a person has positive attitude towards stress, he or she considers stress as a force for motivation. Research studies show that physically fit persons use a stress advantageously. Such persons can combat stress due to better health status. Better health status. They are more resistant to the efforts of stress than physically less fit individuals. Owing to physical fitness and wellness, a person feels better and looks better. As a matter of fact, physical fitness and wellness programs help to enjoy a healthy mind and a healthy body, which ultimately boosts and enhances self-confidence of an individual. It has also been observed that physically fit individuals are more capable to meet the challenges of life. Several studies have proven that physical fitness increases the resistance power against diseases, which finally increases the life expectancy. That's why it is said that physical fitness is helpful in postponing the aging process also. Many changes are there due to aging in the different systems of our body at the age of aging here. Then so it can be included that physical fitness and wellness are necessary for everyone in every walk of life. The level of being well and physically fit may vary from a common man to an international athlete. So more and more stress should be laid on the physical fitness of individuals. We should never forget that the Battle of Waterloo was won at the playfield of Eton. Only the physical fitness and wellness of people can make a nation strong. Swami Vivekananda said, "Today we don't need Bhagavad Gita but football fields." According to Swami Vivekananda. In fact, he laid stress on physical fitness as well as here on wellness of our citizens so that they could hold up the nation's honor and prestige. So this is about what physical fitness and wellness meaning and importance today you have learned. In the next video you will learn about the meaning of lifestyle, importance of healthy or positive lifestyle. In the next video you will learn about lifestyle. Okay, then components of physical fitness. Components of physical fitness here: strength, speed, many components are there. Endurance, flexibility, coordinative abilities. These you will learn in the next video. Till then, you will have to stay alert, stay healthy, mask yourself, take proper care. Thank you. God bless you.